thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the pound-dollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Javier in our trading room.
The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Thank you, Javier, for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Traders of futures contracts that track expectations for the Federal Reserve's policy rate pushed out bets on the US Central Bank's likely first interest rate cut to June of next year, after Fed Chair Jerome Powell said he was not yet convinced rates are sufficiently restrictive. Honda's profit jumped 34% in July to September from a year earlier as a weak yen helped boost the Japanese automaker's strong overseas earnings thanks to healthy demand, especially in the US. Tokyo-based Honda's profit rose to $1.7 billion, while quarterly sales gained 17%. Traders of futures contracts that track expectations for the Federal Reserve's policy rate pushed out bets on the US Central Bank's likely first interest rate cut to June of next year, after Fed Chair Jerome Powell said he was not yet convinced rates are sufficiently restrictive.
Thank you for this, Javier. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 20:30 GMT. The Portuguese Consumer Price Index at 1100 hours GMT. Germany's current account at 13:45 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT. The UK's Rightmove House Price Index at 0 hours and 1 minute GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 20:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in for the latest news and events from the financial markets.